An abrupt end to a high-profile civil lawsuit over a fatal police shooting in 2021. A judge tossed the case mid-trial yesterday in an unusual move, and a settlement offer for the family of Lindani Mieni last year sparked outcry, prompting the city to go to trial. Lynn Kawano has a reaction to the ruling and what happens next.
The city agreed to pay $1.5 million to Mieni's widow in October. Today's ruling means the family walks away with nothing. Showing up in force at a council meeting last year, Honolulu police officers convinced members to reject a taxpayer-funded $1.5 million proposed settlement for the widow of Lindani Mieni, instead sending the case to trial.
Get on the ground now!
Mieni was shot and killed during a fight in April 2021 with police officers. Trial started on July 14th. After 7 days of testimony and before the defense could present their case, the defendants filed a motion for what's called judgment as a matter of law.
And defendants ask it on a cursory basis at the close of every plaintiff's case. When plaintiffs rest, defendants move for JMOL. Every defendant that has ever been in a trial with has moved for JMOL, and it's never been granted.
Judge Karen Holma did grant it in this case, and the trial abruptly ended.
The plaintiff's lawyer would have had to prove that the officers were acting under malice when they attacked Mr. Mieni. There was zero evidence of that.
I think it's very telling when a judge makes these kinds of decisions that the case is clear. These officers were justified in what they did. The level of force they used was measured and appropriate. It's extremely unfortunate that a life was taken.
Honolulu Mayor Rick Blangiardi said in a statement he is pleased that the court affirmed the city's position that the officers did not act with malice. From the beginning, he said this was a deeply painful and emotional matter. The attorney for the family issued a statement that said, while they wish the jury could have decided this, at least the appellate court can now review the record. James Bickerton said the case raises fundamental constitutional issues about the use of deadly force that need to be resolved for the good of everyone. Bickerton argued that the officers didn't identify themselves, shined bright lights at Mieni, so he didn't know they were police officers responding to a burglary call at a Nu'uanu home. Mieni walked into the stranger's home uninvited, but was not violent. Tests in 2023 showed Mieni, a South African rugby player, had stage 3 CTE, a degenerative brain disease. The Mieni family attorney says they will file an appeal in the next 30 days. I'm Lynn Kawano, Hawaii News Now.
Mahalo, Lynn.